A man from Sioux City has been found guilty of attempted murder after he ran over another man on a motorcycle. 40-year-old Jamie Powell, who is 40, was found guilty last Friday of 2 counts of attempted murder, 2 counts of intimidation with a dangerous weapon, 2 counts of operating a motor vehicle without the owner's consent, and 1 count of possession of a firearm by a felon. Investigators say last December, Powell and Richard Polak got into an altercation in Sioux City. The SCPD responded, but no arrests were made and no charges were filed. A criminal complaint states the next day, authorities received a report from a woman saying Powell intentionally ran over Polak on I-29 southbound. Powell was eventually arrested at a Sioux City residence.